If you're watching this video, then chances are you're interested in learning about a few different ways that you can make money online. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 different ways that you can make money online that require little to no startup cost. Hey, what's going on, you guys? My name is Benjamin, and in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 different ways that you can start making money online. Now, these are pretty cheap or free methods to start making money online, but as you start to scale, there are some tools and software that you should invest in that'll help you earn more money. So these methods that I'm going to talk about in this video are going to be considered long-term sustainable business models. So make sure to stick around into the end of this video. So the first way that you can make money online is just selling your old items, clothes that you don't use anymore. Maybe even some of the stuff that you have is brand new. It's just a gift that you got for Christmas or a birthday present. You've never worn it and you just have it sitting in your closet. You can sell these old or unused items on apps like OfferUp. You can sell them on Facebook Marketplace or even eBay. There's a lot of demand for secondhand items that are in good condition. I used to sell items on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and I even listed some of my stuff on eBay. Now, when I sold my old or unused items on those platforms, I actually started buying brand new items from AliExpress and DHgate, and I listed them for sale on eBay and OfferUp as well. Another quick way to make money selling items is to go to the Goodwill, which is something that I used to do as well. I would find cheap items and then relist them for sale on eBay or OfferUp. Now, there is a good amount of money to be made on reselling items, and once you start to gather enough items, it can be pretty challenging to keep track of all of your inventory and make sure that you're constantly getting new items that you're going to be profitable on. Now, this can be a pretty good option for you if you don't mind handling and dealing with a lot of inventory. Me personally, I don't. It just felt like overwhelming to me. So that's why I stopped using this method, and I actually use another method which I'll talk about at the end of this video. The next way to make money online is through print on demand. So I'm pretty sure you've heard about print on demand, but if you're not familiar with it, print on demand is basically where you create a graphic design and then you put that graphic design on a t-shirt or a sweater or a coffee mug that you want to sell. Now, every time somebody buys a coffee mug or a t-shirt or any type of merchandise that has your graphic design on it, you would earn a commission. And this is a way that you can earn a passive income as well. Let's say that you have a graphic design and a lot of people really like that graphic design. You put that design on a t-shirt, and if multiple people are buying your design on that t-shirt, then you're going to earn money every time somebody buys that t-shirt. Now, there are a few different websites where you can start uploading your graphic designs onto different merchandise where people can buy them. For example, you can sign up with a popular website called Redbubble. You can sign up with another one called Zazzle, and also Designed by Humans. Now, these websites are all free to sign up and create an account and start selling your graphic designs on. So like I mentioned, if you put a graphic design on a t-shirt, a coffee mug, a sweater, or any other merchandise that they have available, every time somebody buys that merchandise with your graphic design on it, they pay you a royalty for that. Now, the downside about using these websites to make money with print on demand is that they tend to pay pretty low when it comes to royalties, because you have to consider that they're the ones who are providing the merchandise and they're doing the printing for you and also shipping it out to the customer. All they're doing is just paying you because somebody bought your graphic design on their merchandise. Now, if you're looking to make more money by selling your graphic designs, I would suggest signing up with a company called Printful, which is a print-on-demand company that have tons of different options for merchandise. You can put your graphic designs on their merchandise and they'll print it and ship it to the customer. And also signing up with Shopify, which is basically a platform where you can have an online store. So when you have your own online store, you can set your own prices for the merchandise that you're selling. Every time somebody buys one of your items, Printful will print it out and ship it to the customer. But you have to factor in the cost of what it's going to take to print that merchandise and ship it to the customer. So if you're good at creating really cool graphic designs, then this might be a good option for you to go with. Okay, so real quick, I just want to say if you're getting value from this video, if you're enjoying it so far, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And also, I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning different ways to make money online. Now, this next method is called dropshipping. Now, I'm sure that you've heard about this method before, but if you're not familiar with it, it's basically where you look for items that are being listed for sale, and then you relist those same items on another platform for a higher price. So let's say, for example, there's a seller on AliExpress and they have cell phone cases and they're selling them for $2 a piece. You can take that same listing and you can relist it on a website like eBay for $10 to $15. Now, every time somebody buys your listing off of eBay, you would contact the seller from AliExpress, you would order that product and have it shipped directly to the customer. So this is just one example of how you can make money using dropshipping. And you can also get started with dropshipping for a pretty low cost. Now, the downside about using this method is that there's a lot of competition. Now, there's even people who have hundreds or even thousands of different listings and they're all dropshipping items. So this is a pretty common business method, and the cool thing about it is that you don't have to ship out anything yourself, but it can be a hassle when it comes to dealing with customer refunds and returns. Now, when you work up to the point where you're dealing with a lot of different items, you might want to invest into a software that'll help you manage and keep track of all your different listings, and maybe even hire a virtual assistant that'll help you deal with customer returns. The next method is selling digital products. So this can be something like selling an ebook or an online course. Now, it's pretty easy to make an ebook. You can just simply make one using a website like Canva, or you can just pay somebody on Fiverr to make an ebook for you. And then you can sell that ebook for a couple of dollars over and over again. Selling an online course can be your next step, but it does take a lot of work recording and editing videos and posting your course onto a platform. And there's a lot of platforms that charge you money to host your online course. But this can pay off if you have the right audience and you're charging a decent price for your course. And selling ebooks and online courses are another way to make a passive income, meaning that you create them one time and then you can sell them over and over again to different people. Now, this next method and my favorite method to make money online is called affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting products from another company online, and every time somebody buys a product that you're promoting, that company pays you a commission. So basically, affiliate marketing is just promoting products from companies and getting paid every time you send that company a new customer. And there's plenty of companies that have affiliate programs that you can sign up for free. Companies like Amazon, Target, Walmart, Home Depot, and there's plenty more. Now, affiliate marketing is something that you can get started with for free. It's just as simple as signing up for an affiliate program, finding a product to promote, and then creating content around that product, and then redirecting people to where they can buy that product for themselves. But as you start to scale with affiliate marketing, you're going to need to invest into some tools and software that'll help you grow with affiliate marketing. Tools like an email autoresponder service, sales funnel software, and maybe even paying for advertisement. Now, the reason why I prefer using affiliate marketing over these other methods is because you don't have to create your own products. You just have to find a good product to promote as an affiliate. You don't have to ship out anything yourself, and you don't have to deal with any customer refunds. Now, if affiliate marketing sounds like something that you would be interested in, but you don't know where to start, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description of this video. And it's gonna be the same training that I used that taught me how to earn with affiliate marketing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to check out another one of my videos, then go ahead and click over here. But with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.